Grand Rising chosen ones. Get guess what? It is unbelievable. This scenario is straight out of science fiction series. Anyway, imagine that we are entrapped to work, so basically enslavement. But when we work, when we get a job, when we are not doing what our purpose is, they can hack into our mind, and there is astral plane. There is the world where we go to when we sleep. There are other dimensions where we help beings over there, even over there. So we are like the intergalactic police or something. They fear us more than anything, more than death even. I was making this video because I realized some moments ago that we exist in other realities, but they are happening at the same time. And when we are, already, this world is the unreal world, the dream world, and the other planes are more vivid, more real, because they are in fact more real, more vivid. They are the real world. This is the fake world. Exit Earth, enter reality. This world we can become. We can become stronger. We can quote unquote decay. We quote unquote age. The time is passing. So we think. Our dreams are interconnected with the other chosen ones, or with the ones that were, or with the ones which are not like buffer people, like program people, just distractions, just meant to destroy us, just meant to do Satan's will because they are Satan's minions. Some days ago, someone posted a video which said, chosen ones, the government, the gov, is trying to hack into our dreams. And of course, I first experienced it. They can hack into our deepest memories, into our deepest secrets, from when you was a child. They know everything about us, and they are still trying to know more. It's not something that I can control my rage. It's something unfathomable. So in this video I want to talk about how they enslave us with a method. Like, if we are not on the right path, they can switch a button and create a certain artificial realm which we are entrapped in this moment, to basically fuck with us, to see, oh, if he didn't won the lottery, what will happen? Oh, if he didn't make kids with her, what will happen? Oh, if Obama or something will be the president, what will happen? Something like a Mandela effect, but globally, at a global scale. That's why the world isn't free yet. That's why we have to work the next morning in the New Year's Eve, which is not even a new whole year. I'll explain why. later. This is a video for, this is a topic for a whole nother video. So I figured out what our soul mission, what our purpose has been tried to be delayed. And the delay means when you are not on your soul path because you've been hacked, you've been poisoned, you've been gaslighting, gang stalked, you've been hindered, and so many other things daily from your close ones or from your environment, just to be slaves for them, just to work 9 to 5, just to not feel contempt, not feel at peace, not feeling that you are doing the good work. I figured out that in the realms that are more vivid, that are more real than this shitty programmation, in those realms, 2-3 days of whole, like, you know what humans do: wake up, brush teeth, work out, go to like a job or meditate, write something, sketch a little, and go to bed and repeat, wake up, cycling, meet with some friends, have a cigarette, and work out and sleep. Imagine this scenario, not this specific scenario, imagine this normal human being life. Wake up, do some chores, do something done, eat something done, you go to sleep. You wake up, do some chores. But the soul have cycles, have energy cycles. My energy cycles are based around 7 years. They are listening. Yeah, let them listen how their plans will be gone. So in the reality of the sleep, 2-3 days pass, but in this shitty program, in this shitty simulation, 6 months can be 1 day, or even longer than 6 months. Imagine that you work, you made such thoughts, emotions, decisions. You made money for a boss who doesn't care if you are dead or not. You made money just to buy an illusion of the satisfaction of the feeling that is, which is hunger, which is thirstiness, which is, oh, I'm bored, so I must play video games. Imagine 6 months of this shit happening. The weight, the stress, the not useless memory, because we through growth, through pain, we grow. We can be so much cleaner, so much thoughtful, so much wiser if we weren't in this shitty program. We can be real life titans, gods, world conquerors, parasites, destroyer, but we are hindered so much because 1 or 2 real days are 6 months in this shitty simulation. Don't you ever feel like that? Like, I'm working, and after a month, I'm working useless, in a useless intent. This will not bring me satisfaction. This will not reward my true self. This will not brings change or tear down the illusions we are constricted by in this false reality. Have you ever felt like that? Yes, it is because we've been entrapped or captured. And what we do in this shitty game, in this shitty illusion we are in right now, is not mattering too much. This is a big reason why you should stop to care about what your parents says about, oh, you don't have a job, oh, you don't have a wife, oh, you don't have such and this, and you don't do this and that, and how are you doing, what are you doing, how you don't do, oh, it pays 6 days passed and you got a paycheck and something. This is hindering you. This constrains your soul. This puts unnecessary pressure. Because I found out this is a simulation we are in. We are in fact asleep in another realm. We are most likely dead already. Yes, this is the truth that I'm presenting. I have no benefits lying to you all. How to escape? Do something different each day. And maybe we will slow this process. We will not take 6 months to do the work that we can do in 1 month. Imagine that, going to work. And another thing, we are from head above, trapped in a cage, and they see us like this. Now he's walking, now he's looking at boobs, now he's smoking, now he's working, now he's studying, now he's training, now he's watching at boobs again, now he's going to work. Now he's looking around, now he's enjoying nature, now he's meditating, now he's calming himself down. They see just like this. Yes, I'm a useless head around entrapped in this simulation. I'm a useless head entrapped in this simulation. Like when you take a prisoner and you make a photo of him, you see this, yeah, we are like that. So the links actually don't matter pretty much because they are made from our mind. So yes, I had to give this message. We live in a fake world, in a bad dream, so to speak. In the real world, in other planes, 2-3 days is 6 months in this shit, and we have to do something about it. Peace till next time.